Eighth question. If alpha, beta, gamma and sigma are the roots of the polynomial equation 2x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 8 equal to 0. Find a quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation form an x square plus x with constant only. So always this power value is 2 only. Okay, the quadratic equation. So with the integer coefficients whose roots are alpha plus beta plus gamma plus sigma and alpha, beta, gamma, sigma. So first of all we will find these two values. Okay, so this is fourth degree equation. So fourth degree equation we can write the values first. A value is 2, B value is 5, A, B, C, D, E. The x value is D, but x value is not here. So the D value is 0. So the sum of roots, so this value fully. The sum of roots formula minus b by a. Okay, so minus b by a, apply this value minus 5 by 2. Then want this one only. This is product of the roots. So product of the roots value minus not plus e by a. So this is formula only, the fourth degree equation formula, product of roots. So e value 8 by 2, we get 4 value. So here we ask the quadratic equation only. So using x square minus sum of roots plus product of roots equal to 0, the basic equation. So we use this equation only. Okay, x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots equal to 0. So this one we can consider this, the sum of roots value is p, then quadratic, the product of roots value is q. So this is main value here. So if we want this equation, we can add these two values and product these two values and substitute here, we get the final answer. Okay, the quadratic equation. So p plus q minus 5 by 2 plus 4, we get simple 3 by 2. Then multiplication pq minus 5 by 2 into 4, so minus 10. So apply this place, we get 2x square minus 3x minus 20 equal to 0. Then ninth question. If p and q are the roots of the equation lx square plus nx plus n equal to 0, show that root of p by q plus root of q by p plus root of n by l equal to 0. So this is very important question. In last year so many times asked the question papers, quarterly, halfly and like this. Okay, so the solution, the first of all, the question p and q, the equation also given, then its roots also given. So the p and q are the roots of the equation lx square plus nx plus n equal to 0. But this is quadratic equation. Yes, quadratic equation. So we know the quadratic equation formula, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The sum of roots formula minus sum alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Product of roots equal to alpha beta equal to c by a. So summation 1. So this name only, summation 1. So this roots is pq. So p plus q equal to minus p by a. So minus b, this is not here. A value is l, b value is n, c value also n. So apply this place minus b value n by l. Then product pq equal to c by a equal to n by l. Okay, so left hand side, root of p by q plus root of q by p plus root of n by l, taking this left hand side value. Then we can separate the root p, root q, root p, root n, root l. Then we can cross multiplication the first two value. If you multiply this one, root p, p, root q, q. So root 2 into root a into root a equal to a square, but square root and square cancel, we get answer a only. So like this here, we can multiply these two, root p, root q plus root n by root l. Then p plus q value minus n by l, root p plus pq plus root n by l. If this pq value, apply this pq value n by l. Then we can multiply these two meaning n by l into root n root l. Okay, this one also we can separate root n root l into root n root l. So This answer is n into n by l only. So n by l. But again we write the denominator value one time. So minus n by l plus n by l. So if we cancel this one, we get 0. So 0 by root of n by l. So this value is 0. We can prove this part. Thank you, student.